Dear student, Assalamu alaikum. I hope by the grace of Almighty Allah, all of you are fine. Dear student, I am Muhammad Shah Jahan, Assistant Professor, Department of Accounting, Milestone College, Uttara, Dhaka. Dear student, today we will discuss chapter 10, and you know that this is financial statement. Dear student, this is our lecture 5 on this chapter. Dear student, at the end of this lecture, you will be able to know about owner's equity. You can prepare a statement of changes in equity. Dear student, let's come to our class. Owner's equity. In simple terms, owner's equity is defined as the amount of money invested by the owner in the business minus any money taken out by the owner of the business. For example, if owner of the business invested 10 lakh taka at the beginning of business and withdrawn for his personal need taka 1 lakh, then his equity in the business is 10 lakh minus 1 lakh equals to 9 lakh. That means, dear student, whatever money invested by owner in the business, that is subtracted by his drawings. That means whatever money he invested in the business and he has taken some money from that, and we have to subtract that money from his investment. Then you will get the owner's equity. That means equity of the owner, the right of the owner in the business. This is called owner's equity. Dear student, let's see the format of owner's equity so that you can prepare a statement of owner's equity. Dear student, at the time of preparing statement of owner's equity, you have to write the opening capital at first. Dear student, all of you know that in the question, in the exam time, you will get a trial balance like this. Nafisa and Kong, trial balance 31st December 2018, and the transaction are given. Drawing capital, machineries, etc. That means all transaction will be given to you. Whatever they have account, whatever the account balances, it will be given to you, and there will be some adjustment also, dear student. And then you have to find the amount of owner's equity from the statement, and it will give you 4 marks. Dear student, let's come how you can prepare this. For that, you will need a format. You will write the formula. Dear student, if you can memorize, if you can understand, if you can keep in your mind this format, then easily you can solve any types of requirement from owner's equity. Dear student, again I would like to tell, this is very important, dear student. You will write this formula in your copies, you will memorize, you'll try to memorize, you'll write, the more you can memorize, and you have to understand as well. Dear student, for your better understand, I am discussing how you can memorize. If you can keep in your mind, then easily you can solve the problem. Dear student, let's come. Statement of owner's equity. You have seen that how question will be. There will be a trial balance and an adjustment. Dear student, here some item will come from trial balance, some item will come from adjustment. First item, opening capital. Of course, it will given in the trial balance. You have to write the opening capital. You know that capital means money of owner. Whatever money has given at the beginning of business, that is capital. So at first you will write the capital, then additional capital. It may give in the trial balance, it may give in the adjustment. That means at the time of question, you will get it in the trial balance also, you will get it from the adjustment also. We have to add opening capital with additional capital. We have to add opening capital with additional capital. Then it is total capital. Then it is total capital given by the owner. Now we have to add net profit, or we have to subtract net loss. That means these two items will not come together. A business will not have net profit or net loss. A business may have net profit or net loss. That means if it is net profit of the organization, then you will add it. If net loss of the organization, then you have to subtract it. Dear student, if there is net profit, that means, dear student, last 3 4 class I have discussed income statement. You know that from the income statement we will find the net profit. That means income statement will give us the net profit. If it is net profit, then we have to add that net profit with capital, opening capital plus additional capital, and with that we have to add the net profit. And in if there is any loss, then that will subtract. That means net profit will increase the owner's equity and net loss will decrease the owner's equity. Now, drawings. Dear student, there are two types of drawings, cash drawings and goods drawings. Both the drawings will be here and it will be subtracted from the amount. It will be subtracted from the capital. Dear student, at first I have to write drawings, then income tax. You know that this is also kind of drawings for sole tradership business. Dear student, we are doing business accounting for sole tradership business, and in this type of business income tax is a expenses of owner, and you know that drawings means the expense which is done for owner. So income tax will be here, and life insurance premium, it is also for owner life insurance premium is paid from business. Then these three are called drawings, and these drawings also in cash, in goods also. So all of the drawings will add together, then total drawings will be subtracted from total capital. Then this is equity now. That means this is total capital, then this is total drawings. Capital minus drawings, then you get the equity. And there are some more items, dear student. Interest on capital, it must be in the adjustment. If any interest on capital is in the trial balance, we will not subtract it, will not add it, dear student. So interest on capital from adjustment, it will be added with the capital fund. Then interest on drawings, that means if owner takes any money from the business and if we charge interest on that, that is interest on drawings, that will be subtracted from capital. Interest on capital will be added, interest on drawings will be subtracted. Dear student, keep in your mind interest on capital and interest on drawings, most important item, and this item will be from adjustment only. For no other item I am telling it is only from adjustment or it is only from trial balance. Only these two items. If it is from adjustment, I will write here. If it is from trial balance, I will not write here. Dear student, be careful. Interest on capital from adjustment will be recorded in owner's equity statement. Interest on drawings from adjustment will be recorded in owner's equity statement. Then last item is reserve fund. Last item is reserve fund. If there is any reserve fund is given in the trial balance or in the adjustment, that will be added, because the reserve fund means the money kept in the business from profit. That means all organization owner would not like to take all of his profit in his account. He would like to keep some money in the business as a reserve, so that in future if there is any types of opportunity he can utilize it. That's why reserve fund, it is also money of owner. That's why if there is any reserve fund is given in the trial balance, you have to add it. If there is any reserve fund adjustment, that also be added. So after adding and subtraction all of these item, you will find the closing owner's equity. That means at the end of the year you can say your owner how much equity he has in the business. Dear student, I hope you understand. Again, if you face any types of problem to understand this one, you can talk to me. Dear student, I know all of you have my cell number. You can talk to me in any time, so that again I will discuss it for you. And I hope you will see this video from YouTube several times, so that easily you can understand. Dear student, now a homework. Dear student, this is a trial balance given from Nafisa and Kong, and all item is here, capital, drawings, some related items from owner's equity. The trial balance is given, then some adjustment also given. Dear student, your duty will be from these trial balance items and adjustment item, the item related to owner's equity, you have to find out that, and you have to put it this format. You have to put it this format. This zero will not be that time. Opening capital, if I can say opening capital, here you will write 1,85,000. This way you will put the value there. Then at the end of the year, at the end of the month, you will find the owner's equity. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you very much. May Allah help all of